wixii tisqaada dadku tiigsadayo tacab iyo aqoonba inta loo tartamaya.
SPywere XX1, and I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of a virus, spyware, adware, or anything. First step is go to Start, Run, and in the Open field we type in %system root %system 32 /restore /rstrui.exe and hit OK, and you should get this system restore, and this should be selected, restore my computer to an earlier time, and click next, and you should get this calendar, and it should be selected on the current day, but you're going to want to take it back. So let's say I got downloaded the malware on the 24th. I'm going to want to do it to 23rd. My computer was fine back then, so click next and click next again. This should restart your computer but restore everything. Thanks for watching. This is SPywere XX1. Goodbye.